Srimati. Welcome to Ladini Tarot. So today we are going to have a reading regarding a specific person. How does this person looks at you? How does this person finds you or your personality? Okay. So now this person can be anyone. It can be your friend, it can be your parents, it can be your relative, it can be your spouse, it can be your crush, it can be your loved one, it can be your colleague, anyone. Okay, so all you need to do is you will be able to see five bracelets. I have arranged them here. Also you'll be able to see a picture in this video. Go through that, meditate on that picture, go through each and every bracelet and find the one, select the one which attracts you the most. The simplest way of doing it is take a deep breath and take 5 breaths and think about that person, and then once you exhale, make sure that your intuition is trying to help you to select one of these bracelet. Okay, so you may pause the video, select your bracelet, and then you may navigate directly to the timestamp for that particular bracelet. Okay, so let's begin with pile number 1, that is tourmaline. So tourmaline bracelet, which is used to protect one from all the positive and negative, all the negative energies. Sorry. So it is used for protection. Also, it enhances the strength. So what I've done is I've shuffled the card already, and I'm just going to pull. I've already pulled 3 tarot cards along with one Oracle Life Purpose card for you guys. So let me see what this person thinks about you. So what I'm going to try to achieve in this video is to tell you the traits, what they observe about you, what they don't like about you, what they like about you, and one particular skill which they like or they have noticed about you. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, I can see Gemini energy here. Okay, air sign, a lot of air sign, also a fire sign. Someone who is actually very good with words. Okay, a person who thinks a lot, who's a lot who's a person who is actually more about his head than his heart. Okay, the one who thinks from his head, a very intellectual person. Okay, because I've got King of Swords here. This person is and I can see more of a masculine energy here, so definitely you are a man, or you have a masculine side of yours dominating. Okay, you guys are really good with words. Okay, and not just good with words, but you are also good in communicating or expressing those words. Okay, maybe you are really good in writing, so that's something they have noticed about you. But what they don't like is your impatience. So since I can see a lot of fire energy here, maybe you're a hot tempered person. Okay, and that's something they don't like about you. At times you speak up, and you are unable to judge that whatever you are trying to portray, whatever you're trying to communicate them or convey the message, you end up being aggressive, and that actually ends up hurting them. But meanwhile, in case of it's a romantic relationship, they really like the way you express it. They like the passion in you, they can see it. But then again, you being a hot tempered person actually intimidate them a lot. Apart from that, I've got Hangman. I can see that you have this ability to suspend your thoughts for a minute and get into a meditation, or get into you have this tendency to isolate yourself, and that's something it's a significant part of your personality which they love about you. But then again, there are chances, there are really high chances of you being a hot tempered person, which actually bothers them. Also, you are very youthful, so though you are King of Swords, you are a very intellectual person, but then you have this something very youthful about you, and that's again something which attracts them towards you. So even if it's a friend, they love to spend time because they find you as a party lover, or they find you as very youthful when they are around you, when people are around. So apologies, all of a sudden my video was suspended. So yeah, so they find you as a party lover, and when they are around you, they feel this youthful energy because of your presence. Okay, so that's something they even like about you. Now let's see what's there in Oracle for you. Music. So as I said, maybe you're a youthful person, your choice of music, or maybe you have some interest in music, and that's again which makes you a lot interesting person, and they really like the taste, or I mean the taste of your music. I mean whatever type of music you love, they also share the same taste of music. Okay, so that's it about pile number one. So if you liked my video, please like, subscribe my channel, and also in the comment section let me know what will be the next reading you would like to have. Okay, so now comes pile number two. So if you liked my reading, kindly like the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so then comes pile number two, which is your wealth bracelet. Okay, it has got multiple crystals, including the tiger's eye and my favorite citrine and aventurine. So let's see what the pile number two person thinks about you. What are the personality traits they like about you? Amazing. So you are perfect. I can see that you have these water signs. It's either Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. I can see Cancer, more of a Cancer in your chart. Also, you are again a very, what should I say? Again, an air sign, and that too, a very immature air sign. Okay, can be a Gemini. Okay, you are very harsh with your words, I must say, but then again, you say how things are. You don't think about it at all. You just say how you feel, and that's what they have noticed about you. Even they like about it. I mean, there's something they even like about you, but they also, they are a bit scared because they don't know your honesty. I don't know how you're going to showcase your honesty to them. You might end up hurting them a lot because of your harsh words. Okay, but then again, they have noticed that you're a very eloquent speaker, and that's something again they find very interesting. They enjoy the conversations with you. Another quality is they have seen the leadership. You're also a very opportunistic person. Okay, but again, you have this habit of not taking the initiative. Okay, though you have these leadership qualities, you wait for the opportunities. You keep on looking for the opportunities. You are the one who doesn't step forward to take up the new opportunities, and you won't reach out to people for the opportunities. Instead, you will wait. You would like people to notice you, and they should come to you. So that's something they have noticed in you. Okay, apart from that, of course there's a lot of abundance, there's a lot of love, so they notice this innocence in you. They also see that you are a very loving person, a very caring person. You have a lot to offer to this world. So maybe that's another reason they like you a lot. I'm sure this pile, whomsoever has chosen it for their loved one, because this is a trait usually people notice in their partners, and they get to whom they get attracted to. So they've seen that even though this person is really very harsh with words, a very upfront cutthroat person, but then has got a very pure and innocent heart, and that's something they like, and they adore for you. So let's see what the oracle has to say. Again, they see, as I said, that you are not the one who steps forward, who goes and look for opportunities. Instead, you are the one who waits for the opportunities. So I see the practice card here, oracle. So they would like to suggest that you should polish your skills, and whatever you have in you, whatever talent you have in you, maybe it's words or something, or whatever it is, whatever talent you have in you, you will be the best judge for that. They would like you to polish those skills. They would like you to practice them, so that you build up that confidence, that you yourself start approaching people. Instead of hesitating, you should just go ahead and approach people and showcase your talent to them. okay? Or even in terms of love, maybe they are the one who are waiting for you to express your feelings instead of you waiting for them to express your feelings, okay? Express their feelings. So that's all about pile number 2. Okay, if you liked my reading, go ahead, like my video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know the questions you would like me to answer through my tarot pick a card readings in future. Okay, now comes the pile number 3, that is Aventurine. Aventurine, the bracelet for prosperity, okay, and also good luck. Also for those who are going through a crisis, we suggest them for to attract more money towards them, okay. So let's see what your person, those who picked pile number 3, the Aventurine, that person, what does he or she thinks of you, what are the traits they like about you. uh, okay, oh great. So a lot of pentacle cards. I'm sure it's an earth sign. It can be. I sense of Taurus here. So you have got Queen of Pentacles. Okay. So there's a very loyal woman. Okay. Someone who's really abundant. Okay. She's got everything. She's got home. She's got good job. She's got beauty, she has got loyalty, she has got honesty, okay. A very practical, down to earth woman. Now maybe you can be a man, you may be a woman, okay, but this side of your the feminine side of your personality is something which is dominating, which is, in at least this is how this person looks at you, okay. So this is what they have noticed, and there's something they even like about you. uh, Also, I can see Five of Pentacles. I think this person thinks again, this also I saw on pile number 2. So this person thinks that you're a bit hesitant, okay? You feel like an outsider. You find it difficult to approach people. And that's something this person has noticed in your personality. And that's something this person would like you to work on, okay? They want you to approach them. They want you to, get involved with the society also. But they have noticed one more thing. There's something good about this card is, no matter what, they know one thing, that you will always stay loyal to them, even if you're a friend, even if you're their children, even if you are the spouse or your lover or your crush, whatever. They know one thing, that in case if they are into a relationship with you, no matter what, you will always be there around them, with them, okay. You'll, like, in the times of crisis, maybe even if you're disappointed with them, you will be with them. That's something they have noticed and they adore about you, okay. um, what I feel is, maybe you are in a long distance relationship here, okay. Maybe you both are staying apart, in different countries, or also I can sense two opposite people coming together, okay. uh, Even in terms of friendship, it can be anything, okay. Just take whatever resonates. So this person thinks that you are really far away from them, totally distant, okay. Maybe that's the reason they saw this Five of Pentacles, because you find it difficult to open up, and that's again something which bothers them. But also I sense, after looking into this card, because this is more of a fire energy, so this won't last. It's a very powerful energy, but won't last for a long time. uh, they are waiting for you to approach them, okay. So there is something, I don't know what exactly is, there's some conversation yet to happen between both of you, and they expect you to initiate it, okay. So this is what this person thinks of you. And also they see that you are really good at evaluating opportunities. You're the one who has got a lot many opportunities, maybe two options, and you are good in evaluating it, okay. Let me see what's there in the oracle. Okay, environmentalist. So they say that you are someone who loves to travel, who loves to be close to the nature. Also, they feel like you are the one who takes who's part of lot many what do you say, movements wherein people tend to protect the nature. So you are the one who might run few of them, or you might be, interested in future. That's something they have noticed about you. Maybe you're into gardening, so that's something again they have noticed about you, okay, and which they like about you, or maybe they would love to do it with you, okay. So that's all about pile number 3. And just hit the like button in case if you liked it, and in case if you didn't, it's okay. Not everyone will like the readings. And please subscribe to my channel for future reading. I would like to see the comments in the comment section for the suggestions for the next reading, for the next video. Okay, let's go ahead with pile number 3. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Pile number 4. Pile number 4 is amethyst. Okay, it's used for travelers, okay, but then these travelers are more into spirituality. They travel because it fills their soul, okay. They travel because they want to experience different kind of societies. They want to experience different kind of cultures, and they want to learn a lot. Their soul wants to learn many lessons, so there's a reason they get attracted to this one. Also, those who are in spirituality, those who want to work for compassion, or those who want to work for social issues, they do get attracted to this crystal. So let's see pile number 4, what your person thinks of you, okay. What are the traits they like about you, what they don't. Okay, you are a party person, huh? And again, as I said, you love to travel, you love to celebrate, you love to learn about the society, you love to be part of the society. So that's something this person really really loves about you. They find you very social person, okay. So this is how pile number 4, your person, looks at you, okay. Also, they see that you are a business person, you are good with your finances, you are a very secured person, okay. Someone who has a lot of interest in investing money, okay. Someone who knows how to manage their finances. Also, you are more of a family oriented person. I get this feeling. You are not more of an, you are not that expressive. You hold a lot onto your in your heart. You don't express much of your feelings, but then you are a very loyal person. So I see the feminine, I don't see the feminine, but I see the masculine side of you being more dominant here. When it comes to, even if it's about your spouse, they would see that you're the one who's going to run the show in your marriage. And even if it's your parents, then maybe your parents think about that you are the one who can take care of the family really well. So you are the one who will always be leading the finances or the decisions related to finances in your family or in your friend circle or whatever. So if you're not into business, they do see the potential that you are the one who can rule a business, who can be some into some executive job. So that's what they think about you. But then again, they have, as I said, you're not a person who opens up. I don't know why second, third, and even now the fourth pile we have got the same issue. But then here this issue is slightly different. Here there are people who are ready to offer you love. There are people who are ready to help you, but you are not ready to take their help. Why? Because you have been hurt a lot in your past, okay. Even your parents think so. They see that you have been hurt so much by your other relatives, or maybe your family, your friend, or whatever it is, or maybe in your past you have been hurt so badly that you are not ready to accept someone's help here, okay. So when people you have opportunities, you're not ready to take it. God is giving you an opportunity, but you are not ready to take it. Instead, you are more focused on what didn't work for you, and you have just closed off yourself because you are not even ready to go back to what didn't work for you, and you're not ready to take what is coming to you, okay. So that's something they don't like about you at all. That's a very strong emotion I can get from you, but then it's okay. That's their perception, not yours. And now the oracle. Oracle says you're on the right path. So maybe when it comes to, so they have seen a change in you though, okay. They see that you're trying to heal yourself, and they are just asking you to keep on doing what you are. Maybe they are asking you to celebrate. They're asking you to maintain this abundance and get out of this energy, okay. So that's all I can see in pile number 4. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to my channel and just leave the suggestion what should be my next video. Okay, let me pick the last one, my favorite bracelet. Okay, I feel really connected to this one, though I didn't pick for this reading. I chose the previous one. Anyway, let's see what's there for the pile number 5 people. This is spiritual and compassion and rose quartz bracelet. It has got rose quartz, clear quartz and amethyst in this. So this is to amplify the impact of spirituality as well as compassion as well as self-love. And yeah, so those who liked it, maybe you should try to reach out to me. I can help you to get one. Okay, so let's see pile number 5, what your person thinks of you. Okay, a lot of water energy. Okay, you can be a Cancer, Scorpio or Pisces. I sense more of Scorpio here because I see introvert energies as well, the Hermit. Okay, and also a lot of past regression. But then also you are someone who's very close to their family and friends, and that's something they really adore about you. They think the person you're asking about, they really like this trait of you. Okay, they think you're a very family oriented person. No matter what's going on in your life, you make sure you're staying strong and you are always with your family, and that's something which attracts them towards you a lot. Okay, also I see you are either a very good counselor. You have this tendency to highlight certain issues in the other person's life, and they've noticed this thing. You can be a very good counselor, or you're really good at guiding people. Okay, also the Hermit is a very introvert person. This person has been through a lot, so they have noticed this about you, that you have been through a lot. Okay, you might be a totally different person now because of the life lessons you have been through during your younger age. Okay, during your younger days, and this person has noticed this about you. Okay, and they can see that you're getting converted. You are going to be a star soon. Okay, they have seen that potential in you. Also, I sense that this person wants to guide you to something. They want to highlight to your issues. Okay, this person has observed certain issues in your past and they just want to talk to you about it. But then again, they are also into the Hermit mode. That means when they are planning to give you, they also want to contemplate on this and they want to give you some space. You have this thing wherein you focus more on what, again, the some same energy, which I can see pile number 4 and pile number 5 are mirroring each other. So you have this tendency that you focus on things which have not worked for you. Okay, and not just you focus on them, you're still dwelling on them. Okay, you're still thinking about it, you're still trying to get them back. Okay, and that's something this person doesn't like about you. They just want to tell you one thing, that what didn't work in the past will never work in the future. You need to move on from your past, and you need to turn back and see that there are 2 cups which especially this person you're asking for. Okay, this person has to offer you 2 cups, and that means some abundance or maybe some support. If it's your parents, maybe both of your parents want to help you on with this, to handle this scenario and to make your life more powerful, more they want to be more supportive here. They want to hear you out, they are ready to hear you out, but you are turning away from them. You are not ready to speak to them. Okay, so that's something they have noticed about you, and this person really wants to help you. Okay, so maybe you should approach them and offer them some friendship so that they can talk to you. The conversation is missing here. The person you're talking about, you're asking for, has actually noticed that you are heading towards a career change. Somewhere you're not happy with your career currently, and or maybe you are aspiring to be someone you're aspiring to change the career, and even they have noticed this about you and they really admire that fact about you. Okay, they think that it is possible, and you'll be more happy in case if you change the career and try to achieve your dreams, try to pursue your dreams. Okay, so that's it about pile number 5. I hope you enjoyed your reading, and if you did, please hit the like button, kindly subscribe to my channel, leave the comment and let me know what would you like me to have for the next reading. Okay, till then, take care, have fun, take care of yourself, your health, your loved ones, and just remember one thing: we all are loved and so are you. Okay, so Radhe Radhe and take care.